Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up payment providers on your website. So this actually differs depending on which provider you're using on your website. So on my website, I'm using Shopify, so I can head over and then just go to my homepage on Shopify. Click on settings right here. And then from in there, I should be able to see my settings. Now click on payments right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the payment providers that you have. So here, as you can see, PayPal has been added, but you just need to set it up. You can also click on this add payment method in order to add another payment method or another provider that you want to use. So you can head over and search them from in here. Another option that you can do is to add a provider. Click on this choose provider right here and then just choose which one you want to add. So for example, you want to support this Apple Pay, you just need to head over and then choose this Alien Payments. Click on this right here, and then as you can see, this will be prompted to this page. Click on this install button, and then you should be prompted to install this particular provider to your Shopify store. Now you can see this right here. Head over and click on this install option, and then this will be installed on your store from in there. So what you can do is you just need to head over and authorize your live account as well as your test account on Aiden in order to successfully set it up. And then from in there, you should be able to select this particular payment provider and people should be able to pay to you through the settings or the payments that they support. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.